16 state governments are challenging the constitutional validity of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission at the Supreme Court. However, unexpectedly, Anambra State withdrew from the lawsuit that sought to declare the anti-graft agency's operations illegal. The Supreme Court, led by Justice Uwani Abba Aji, has scheduled October 22nd to hear this landmark case. Initially filed by Kogi State, the lawsuit has now drawn support from multiple states, including Ondo, Edo, Oyo, Kebbi, Katsina, Jigawa, Benue, Plateau, Cross River, and others. At the heart of the legal challenge is the argument that the EFCC's establishment in 2002, under President Olusegun Obasanjo's administration, failed to comply with the Section 12 of the 1999 Constitution. The state contend that majority approval from state houses of assembly was required before the EFCC Act could be enacted, a step they claim was overlooked. The state are drawing precedent from a previous Supreme Court ruling in the case of Dr. Joseph Nwobike versus the Federal Republic of Nigeria, which highlighted that the EFCC Establishment Act was derived from a UN Convention against corruption. They argued that the proper constitutional procedures for domesticating international conventions should have been followed. While most states are consolidating their positions with Kogi's suit, Anambra State, through its Attorney General, Professor Sylvia Ifemeje, has formally withdrawn from the proceedings. The withdrawal notice dated October 20th was not opposed by the Attorney General of the Federation, Prince Lateef Fagbemi-San, who appears as the sole defendant. The state seeks declarations that limit EFCC investigative powers over state finances and administration. These include preventing the anti-graft agency from investigating, requisitioning documents, or making arrests concerning the management of state funds. Stay informed with news updates at NaijaNews TV.